Brennan, what are you doing? You making your hair wet?
It's hair wet.
Yeah, you fixing it?
Hair wet. Hair wet.
Yeah, it's definitely wet. Is everything else wet too? Huh? Is your shirt wet? And the floor and the stool?
So wet.
Are you almost finished?
No, it's not. It's so finished.
Alright, we'll finish combing your hair. That's so handsome. Alright, I think you're all clean.
I'm gonna get all clean.
Yep.